Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will discuss a question on determination of pH. In an aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide, the hydroxide ion concentration is 3.6 times 10 to the power of -4 molar. Determine the pH of the solution. Alright, so for this question, since you were given the ionic concentration of the OH, so instead of calculating the pH, we need to calculate the pOH beforehand. So pOH is equivalent to negative log OH minus, right? So given to you is already the concentration of your OH minus. So it's going to be log 3.6 times 10 to the power of -4. Therefore, you will get your pOH equivalent to 3.4437. Right. But in the question, you were asked to calculate the pH instead of pOH. So pH plus pOH is equivalent to 14. Therefore, your pH is equivalent to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus 3.4437. Therefore, you will get your pH is equivalent to 10.5560. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.